Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys some weekday motivation. I didn't film every single thing that I got done this week. I just decided to pick and choose some of the things that I wanted to film, and I just put all of that together to create one video. So this is from like 2 or 3 days worth of things. So that's what this video is all about, to give you guys some motivation and to let you guys know you don't have to get everything done in one day. And we are starting off today's video in the pantry. I know I don't film in here a lot. It's just never anything going on in this room, but I'm wiping the countertops down because there are crumbs everywhere from the kids using the toaster and then the air fryer. So I'm just gonna wipe the countertops down really quick, and then I'm gonna take a damp cloth and wipe down the cabinets. We learned real quick that if you have greasy hands or anything on your hands and you touch the cabinets, the fingerprints will stay there. And you can definitely tell which cabinets the kids go in and out of because there are fingerprints everywhere. And I learned that matte cabinets like this, it's just easier to use a damp cloth instead of spray because you can definitely see the swirl marks when everything dries. So I just use a damp cloth.
It's for somebody special, yeah. Can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you're special. Can't wait it out tonight. Yeah. Can't believe it's so. Yeah. 20 nights been so. Baba don't lose composure. Yeah. Girl, my champion lover. Would you wait for me, girl? Yeah. Cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know. Ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you. Coach, yeah. Give me coach, yeah. Give me coach, yeah. To get me back to you.
Moving on to the kitchen, these dishes were actually the dishes from dinner from the night before. We all watched a movie and just totally ignored the dishes from dinner, so I'm gonna get that taken care of right now. I'm gonna spray some Lysol in the sink and let that sit before I start on the dishes. If you're new here, my name is Candis. I have 2 boys. My husband is in the Army, and I like to create cleaning motivation, organization. I love home decor, so that's what I kind of do on my channel. So if you like things like that, I would love for you to subscribe. We currently live right outside of Nashville, and this is our last year here. We're actually going to be moving summer 2025, and I am so excited. I cannot wait to go. So the last video, or the video before last, whatever one, I had you guys guess where we're going, and I said the city starts with the letter B, and it's nowhere near where I am now. Can't tell you guys where we're going. I want to get our official orders first before I tell you guys, but you guys can keep guessing if you want to. Only a couple people got it right, but I'm still not gonna say.
In the crowd, in the club, at the bar, yeah, what's up? I saw you cross the room, yeah, glowing in the moonlight. I don't know where you've been, but I'm glad that you're here. Gonna take you by the hand and lead you to the dance floor.
Hard working every day. I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts. Wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah. Make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away. You and me go to our favorite place.
So I saw some of you guys ask me about my TV mount a while back, and it's called a mantle mount, I believe. We got it from Best Buy. It just allows you to pull your TV down over your fireplace mantle, so it's not so high up. When we moved into this house, we knew we had to do something because the fireplace mantle is really high for some reason, and we don't like our TV on the ceiling.
I need a summer breeze, some fresh air to put my mind at ease. No cares. You wanna come with me? Me and you go to our favorite tree. Are you ready now? We jump on a plane now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. Don't hesitate now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. We'll never come down. We're going away. Yeah, we're going away. You and me. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii.
So the load that I did earlier is all the kids' clothes. It's done washing now, so I'm gonna throw the things that I like to dry in the dryer. Everything else I like to hang to dry just because the shrinkage and the fading, sometimes I just really am real careful about certain things that I dry. So I have 2 extra large heavy duty drying racks that I will have in my Amazon storefront. You guys, if you want to hang a lot of clothes at once, get this thing. It's super heavy duty. I have 2 of them, one for upstairs and one for down here. Alright guys, it's the next day. The kids just got on the bus and I'm about to make my coffee and I'm going to show you guys how I like it. So me and Brennan have had a Keurig ever since we've been married. We love the K-Cup, but you guys, if you haven't had the Nespresso, you're missing out. 2 totally different things. And when I tell you the coffee is just so rich and flavorful and frothy, I cannot lie to you guys. So from left to right, I'll show you guys the coffee that we have now. The red one, that's gingerbread, and then peppermint is the green one, which is also a Christmas one. The orange one is a peanut and roasted sesame, and then the cream color one is an almond croissant coffee, which is one of my favorites. That's the one I'm having today. If I have flavored creamer, I don't put sugar in my coffee at all. I just add creamer and that's it. I like to put it in my frother and I just put it on warm, not froth, just so that it doesn't cool down my coffee too much. If you know somebody who loves coffee, this frother is such a good gift to give during the holidays. It is from Amazon, so it's really affordable and it has a few different settings. It's like a froth, a foam, and then like a cool setting. So if you're doing iced coffee, you can set it to cool, so you're not putting hot froth in your iced coffee. It's genius and it works so well. Been a couple hours since I've had my coffee. I sat and watched one of my favorite shows. Now I'm ready to tackle a few things off my to-do list, and that is getting these clothes folded and put away. These are the clothes from yesterday. They're still in a dryer, so I'm taking them out. These are all the kids' clothes along with the ones that I hung to dry. I'm gonna fold everything up and put them away. The only thing that I don't fold are their shirts. Those are always hung in their closet, so I'm gonna set those aside. But we're gonna get all this stuff taken care of and then move on. Still pretty early in the day, but I want to marinate some chicken for dinner later on. So I have some chicken thighs here. I'm gonna season it with onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, lemon juice, olive oil, parsley, paprika, garlic, and some red pepper flakes. Mix it up really well and then put it in the fridge. And I just cooked it on the stove in my cast iron skillet in a little bit of olive oil and butter, and we had it with a side of couscous, steamed veggies, and sauteed spinach. Alright, so it's the next day and the last thing I'm going to be filming for this video. I'm just going to be refilling our glass containers with our laundry essentials. We were running low, so I went and stocked up yesterday. The only cabinet that I have in my laundry room is the small one under the sink. Everything doesn't fit in there, and I like for my essentials to be out because I use them every day. So if I have to have them on display, I like to have them in glass containers because not only does it look better to me, but you can also see when you're running low. Our regular everyday detergent is already preloaded in our washing machine. It holds 50 ounces of detergent. So the only other detergent that I have is the darks. And then I like my scent beads. I'm trying out this Tide Clean Boost. It's similar to the Downy Rinse, so we'll see how that works. And then laundry sanitizer. That's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.